Math 3, your final benchmark, question 11. The equation x minus y times x plus y equals x squared minus y squared. All right, that's your definition of difference of squares. This can be used to determine the value of 92 times 88. Which statement is true? All right, so if we look down through here and we look at what we're given, first of all, A says the value x equals 88 and y equals 2. Which equals this. Okay, so these aren't even the same. So I'm going to say this is probably not the right answer. Same thing with here. This does not match this value. The value x equals 90 and y equals 2. That one looks okay. And the value of 92 and 2, again, this one's not even the same. So I'm going to check number C to see if this works. So I've got 92 times 88, and 92 times 88 equals 8,096. All right, so if I'm going with answer C, I'm going to say that value of x is 90 and y is 2. So I'm going to plug it into this formula up here. So I'm going to say 90 minus 2 times 90 plus 2. And if this is equal, then that means that I should get the same thing I got when I multiplied 92 and 8. All right, so 90 times 90 is 8,100. So we multiplied here. We know that inside and outside terms cancel in a difference of squares. And then negative 2 times 2 is minus 4. 8,100 minus 4 is 8,096. So even though I thought C was correct, I can check myself and I can see that C is the correct answer by using a difference of squares. I could rewrite 92 and 88 as 90 squared minus 2 squared and still get the right answer. So the answer to number 11 is C.